Here we are. A Transformers 1 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray and digital code. No DVD. Here's the back. It's a blast from beginning to end. And it says the same thing in different language. And with Transformers 1. Hold on, let me zoom in. With a ultimate limited origin story, 45 minutes of bonus features. Let's get right into the unboxing. You can find this movie pretty much anywhere. It's on YouTube. It's on Amazon Prime. It's on even regular Blu-ray and DVD. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. And since I'll be able to make a minute, like 2-minute shorts now, which is fantastic. Here, let me put the camera down so it'll be easier. Okay, I got it. I'm trying to turn this video into a short. Oh, god damn it. Alright, now you guys can see the full unboxing. Here's the 4K of Transformers 1 unboxed. Let's see what okay, so here's the, yeah, that's for 4K Ultra. And here's the Blu-ray. No artwork on the 4K, sadly. Paramount's just lazy. So, there you have it. Transformers 1 on 4K Ultra HD.